Hi everyone, this is 80 from 80 Scraps and Things. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this very textured beehive stitch. Make sure you grab your hook and your yarn. Let's get started. Hello and welcome back. So like I said, we will be looking at this very fun, very textureful beehive stitch. This is considered to be an intermediate stitch, so I'll go very slowly so you can follow along, so you can get this very fun thick fabric. So for this particular stitch pattern, we will be needing multiples of 2 plus 1. So once you get the length that you want with your multiples of 2, you just add 1 more. For this one, I will be starting with a foundation row, foundation double crochet. If you don't know how to do a foundation double crochet, I'll go ahead and link the video tutorial on the description, so make sure you go to that first and then come back and do this one. So I'm just gonna do a small little swatch so you can see the pattern, the process of how to do this one, the stitches. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna do an odd number of stitches and I'll meet you back here in a moment. All right, so now that I have 11 right here, we're gonna go ahead and start row number 2, or row number 1, I guess would be considered, because this is the foundation row. So you will start with a chain 3. And then we're gonna skip that double crochet that we started from. And on the next stitch, I'm gonna do a front post double crochet. So I'm just gonna go on the front and do a double crochet. Next one, I'm gonna do a regular double crochet. And then we're gonna go back and forth between a front post and regular double crochets. So we're gonna do this until the end of the row, back and forth, and I'll meet you here in a moment. All right, welcome back. So now that we have finished row 1, we're gonna essentially repeat this pattern for as long as you want. So I'm just gonna do this one more time. We're gonna start with a chain 3. And again, we skip the first double crochet and we're gonna go to the next one. We're gonna do a front post double crochet. And then we're gonna do a regular double crochet. Front post double crochet, regular double crochet, and we will continue this to the end of the row. And you will continue this pattern until you get the length you require. You'll find that it's actually quite simple to do, and it really gives quite a lot of texture, really fun texture. So yeah, if you find this tutorial useful, make sure that you like it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel for more fun tutorials. And in the meantime, hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next week.